YouTube channel. It's your girl Marissa back at again with another video. I finally made an intro. Yes, go me. So today, I'm going to be, as you can tell by the title, I don't know which way it is. Deal with it. Okay, so this is my blue jiggly. It is not overactivated yet. It is a little bit overactivated because when I made it, I put too much activator. But let's overactivate it even more because I love overactivated jiggly slimes. They make your slime more pokey. Okay, so let's see how much activator can a jiggly slime hold. Okay, so I have the bag right here, and like there is sticky slime all over it, so I'm going to get the sticky slime off. It's all over this bag too. This is what it was before, and this is it now. So I'm gonna put that back. So this is my blue jiggly. It isn't that stretchy, it isn't that jiggly. It is jiggly actually. But it isn't that, you know, too much. The more hard it is, the more pokey it gets. So I'm going to add maybe this whole cup. Too much. Okay, let's go. Maybe let some back. Oh my god. I'm gonna take some an activator. Okay, so let's add that back. So this is what it looks. It looks like brains. Okay. Let me just get the camera in my mouth. What's in my tripod? So I can hold it by my shoulder. So let me get. It's already on the tripod though. Let me just do that. Okay. Sorry for the shaky tripod. What?
Yeah.
I gotta go.
Okay. Are you coming in tonight?
I don't know.
'Cause I think I'm gonna need help with my math.
Alright.
Okay. Text me if you need me. Don't open the door. Okay. Gigi's not coming, is she?
No.
It isn't that overactivated. Like it's still
Bye.
pretty stretchy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Marissa.
Bye.
See you. Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. Did your mom get your ice cream last night?
Yeah.
Okay.
You told Lisa about it, Marcella?
Where is it?
No. Oh, Dairy Queen.
Oh, I thought she only bought ice cream.
Wait, how did you know?
She told me she was going to get it.
Oh.
Alright guys, call me if you need me.
Okay, bye.
I don't have to hold the camera on a tripod. Okay, so let's do some ASMR. Ew, what is that? It's a booger. Oh. I'm wiping it on my chair. ASMR time. So let me flip the camera. And let's start. I hope you can see it. Wait, hold on. Can't really see it. So it'd be like this. But not touching the camera. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to hold it with my tripod, but my arm's over here.